Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the raised toilet seat with handles, a 4-inch toilet seat riser designed for seniors, featuring TPR padded and aluminum arms for enhanced comfort and safety. This innovative toilet seat riser is crafted with a PP base, making it incredibly easy to clean, while the front grooves are specifically designed to prioritize hygiene. Constructed with rust-resistant aluminum pipes, this durable handicap toilet seat riser ensures long-lasting reliability, perfect for daily use in any bathroom environment. The seat offers personalized customization with 2 width adjustment settings, ranging from 19 to 21 inches, and the ability to raise the seat up to 4 inches, making it ideal for users of varying heights and providing optimal support and comfort tailored to individual needs. To use, simply clip the front protrusion of the toilet riser into the front of your toilet, and lock the clips on both sides for a secure fit, with adjustable handles ensuring stability for the elderly, disabled, or those with limited mobility after surgery. With this raised toilet seat, there's no need to remove the existing toilet cover. Just place it on the toilet and secure it when needed, offering a seamless and convenient solution. Experience ultimate comfort and safety with this thoughtfully designed toilet seat riser, perfect for enhancing bathroom accessibility and ease of use for everyone. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.